This video will show you how to rename the users folder in Windows 10, which can be found in C column/users. In my case it is Maxim and I want to rename it into Max. Note: if you are not an expert user, I wouldn't recommend that you do it. Let's begin. Here is the first step. Right-click on the Start menu and select Command Prompt Administrator. Type in the command net user administrator /active : yes and press Enter. The command is successful. Now log off the current account and log in with the account we have just activated. We are logged in with the built-in account administrator. Here is the second step. Note: if you have Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise, you should do everything I show in this step, but if you have Windows 10 Home, you should skip it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Computer Management. Open Local Users and Groups, and then Users. Right-click on the username for which you are going to change the folder name and select Rename. Make changes. Ready. Here is the third step. Note: this step is good for Windows 10 Professional, Enterprise or Home. Open Disk C. The operating system is supposed to be there. Go to the folder Users and rename a corresponding folder, just as you did in the previous step. Ready? Here is the fourth step. Enter Regedit in the search field. Click on it. The register editor starts. Now go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version, and Profile List. In the list of identifiers, find the one corresponding to your account, the name of which you are trying to change. Double-click on the value and rename it. Note: for Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise, these actions will be enough. But if you skip the second step, supposing you have Windows 10 Home, you need to take the following actions, even if you have Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise. This can be done just to be on the safe side. Highlight the upper point in the Register Editor. In the menu, click on Edit, Find. Enter C column/users/ and the old name of the users folder into the search field. Search for it. If the search shows you any results, go to those locations to rename the folder so that it has the new name. After you have done it, click Edit, Find Next. Or just press F3. In this manner, go on searching and renaming. You should repeat this action until the search shows you no results. Note: I have Windows 10 Professional, so this action did not have the result described above. Ready? Log off the administrator account and disable it again. To do it, log in, this time with your account. Start command prompt administrator and enter net user administrator / active :no. Run it. All is correct. The folder has been renamed, and there are no problems. Everything will work just as it did before all the actions I have shown in this video. Thank you for your attention and good luck.